Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to connect Loki to Grafana. Once you logged into Grafana, come in the left hand panel, you should see a bunch of different options and you should see connections here. Click on this down arrow. It will reveal two new options, add new connection and data sources. Click here and add new connection. You could of course search up Loki right here, or you can scroll down and look for it. Okay, so we should have Loki somewhere around here. And there we go. So just go ahead and click on it. And then I want you to just go ahead and once you've clicked on it here at the top right, click on add a new data source. There you go. Data source has been added and you'll be brought to this page. If you're not, you can just click here on data sources. You should find Loki after you've added it as a connection. Then you click on it and then you can start configuring it. Okay, we'll just leave the name as Loki. And the URL, this is the default one. Okay, I'll just use that. And if not, you could use your cloud endpoint as well. Now choose your authentication method right here. I'll do basic authentication. If it's another one, you can configure that. And if you have any TLS settings, you can go ahead and do that. And here you can set these if you want. Now this is the query section if you have any dry fields. So once you're done, you basically just come here at the bottom and click on save and test. And then after that, you can begin creating your dashboards with it. Really that easy. And that is how to connect Loki to Grafana.